Experiencing SMS problems on your H2O wireless phone? It's a common issue, especially for Android users after network upgrades. The first step is to verify your SMSC number. The correct SMSC for H2O wireless is +12063130004. On Android, you can usually access this setting by dialing 4636 and navigating to phone information. Ensure the SMSC is correctly entered. Next, check your APN settings. The standard H2O APN is H2O with MMSC set to http://msc2.h2owirelessnow.com, MMS proxy to proxy2.h2o.com, and MMS port to 8080. You can find APN settings under Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names. Incorrect APN or SMSC settings are the primary cause of SMS failures, so verifying these is critical. Many users have resolved SMS issues by correcting these settings themselves. SMS has significant limitations as a messaging technology. It only supports basic text, lacks read receipts, and has limited media sharing capabilities. H2O Wireless supports RCS, or Rich Communication Services, on compatible Android devices. RCS enhances messaging with modern features like read receipts and improved media sharing. To access these benefits, ensure RCS is enabled in your messaging app settings. This typically involves turning on RCS chats in the app's preferences. However, iMessage remains exclusive to Apple devices. This creates interoperability issues where messages between iPhone and Android users default to basic SMS, resulting in green bubbles and reduced functionality. Looking ahead, RCS is expected to become the dominant messaging standard, potentially reducing reliance on SMS. However, challenges remain with cross-carrier interoperability and privacy concerns. The future may involve AI-driven messaging features and shifts toward encrypted messaging apps if privacy isn't addressed. To ensure compatibility and access to the latest messaging features on H2O Wireless, keep your device firmware and messaging apps up to date.